If you're getting the "this content is not available" error on Spotify, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several quick ways to fix it, step by step. First, open Spotify and make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes this Spotify playback error happens because of weak Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, go to Spotify settings and scroll down to storage. Clear the cache to remove corrupted temporary files. After that, completely close the app and reopen it. If the issue still appears, search for the same song or podcast again. Sometimes the original content gets removed or becomes unavailable in certain regions, so another version may still work. Next, make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store, search for Spotify, and tap Update if available. An outdated version can cause the "this content is not available on Spotify" problem. And yeah, that's it. Those are the best ways to fix the "this content is not available" error on Spotify.